He only focus on Sanatana Dharma. This is not right. This is not right. All people are Hindustani. But why only focus on Sanatani Dharma? Why focus on? He is only anti-Muslim and anti-Yadav. Why?
Why you talking like that? Means if BJP government only focus our Sanatani Dharma, then why BJP government provide a reservation for ST OBC caste? Why they provide a reservation for ST and OBC? If
हमारे नज़र से तो मोदी जी हमारे लिए पूजनीय हैं।
क्या मोदी जी को फिर मीन्स प्रधानमंत्री के पोस्ट पे आना चाहिए? कैसे, क्यों आना चाहिए?
मोदी जी मैंने इतना अच्छा काम किए हैं, मैंने भारत वर्ष के लिए इतना अच्छा काम किया है कि अभी तक कोई भी प्रधानमंत्री ऐसा नहीं किया।
Hello everyone, this is your amazing and gorgeous host Bunty Tiwari from Speakwell. Guys, as you already know that election is being held nowadays and everybody are discussing about that who will be the next Prime Minister of our country in 2024 elections, Mr. Narendra Modi or Rahul Gandhi. So ladies and gentlemen, here I am at Siwan where I am joined by some awesome and awesome boys and girls to know that what do they have to say about this. So guys, let's move. Well, what's your name, Miss?
Myself Khushi Yadav from Nanar Pandey.
So Miss Khushi, means if you have to choose between Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi as our Prime Minister, so who would you like to see as our Prime Minister?
I always choose Rahul Gandhi. And
Why do you think like that Rahul Gandhi means as our why do you see Rahul Gandhi as our Prime Minister?
I have several reasons behind it. You know, Congress party is a national and old party. And if I talk about its ideology, then the Congress, it is a very development, everyone developments, and it is a very unity and diversity. And if I talk about its achievement, then the Congress party construction is Paka House for 34 million house and the allotted PNG, LPG gas for 37 million house. And if I talk about inflammation, then the you see the past time the Congress time in if didn't inflation, and you see the BJP party time, there are many more inflammation, and in this time the farmer have a lots of problem just because BJP, and the you see the past time the Congress time no problems about the farmers. He gives the loans low interest, and but BJP only gives the loan Tata, Ambani and many more rich person, and then that's all I am saying like this. Congress will be win in the next Prime Minister.
Yeah, but you can also look that in BJP party means BJP party have many more things available in BJP party. If I discuss about the Aam Aadmi party, then you know Aam Aadmi party took the place on Congress social media space, and means no TV channels are showing interested to calling out Congress as calling out in Congress panelist. And you know means if I discuss about that, means if Aam Aadmi party can took the place on Congress means Congress space, and means if Aam Aadmi party give a 10 MLAs in a Gujarat election, they will feel form in a base of India. And Delhi and Punjab means Delhi and Punjab getting more than 4% vote and share in Goa, and means they will feel they will claim themselves as a national party. And I also think that means Mamta and Nitish will have to support means Kejriwal in this election. So what do you want to say about this matter?
But before a while you said that all reported no so the any news Congress party, because BJP sold by the all reporters and all news, and you say that Punjab and Delhi National is fall down because BJP party arrest the Arvind Kejriwal because he fall down Delhi and Punjab National Party. Why?
You were talking about means by the BJP party every reporters had stolen.
Yeah,
every sold. But let me tell you, means what is the power of means what is the power of journalists? The power of journalists means reporters means cannot work means in rule of any persons, like means they cannot means any under of any persons they cannot work, like means they have a right that means they can they can means go against of Modi, means in this time the rule of Modi ji, they can absolutely go against of the Modi, means they have a right, means if they have any type of doubt, if they have any type of means doubt about our Congress, yeah, about our BJP, they absolutely just present, they have right this. So if you are talking about that, means BJP means sold our journalist sold by our BJP, you are totally wrong about this. You are totally wrong.
I am completely right, because in this time you see the unemployment. Why BJP government have unemployment? Why every young person angry in the Modi ji? Because
every sector you can look that in this time many vacancies come out by our
But
BJP
in
government.
the
And in a recent time you can look that means many more millions of people got a teacher's job by our BJP job, by our BJP government.
when the Tejasvi time have a Bihar, many more vacancy fill up. When the BJP time, when the Tejasvi Yadav come, and you see the past time when the Nitish Kumar and they can't give the anyone vacancy. But when the with Tejasvi Yadav came, the many more vacancy and made the road and many more road and many more work do the for our Bihar. And you see the UP in the Yogi ji came, and he nothing do the for anyone, and he only focus on Sanatana Dharma. This is not right. This is not right. All people are Hindustani, but why only focus on Sanatani Dharma? Why focus on he is only anti-Muslim and anti-Yadav?
Why you talking like that? Means if BJP government only focus our Sanatani Dharma, then why BJP government should provide a reservation for ST OBC caste? Why they provide a reservation for ST and OBC? If they only focus on a Sanatani Dharma, then they haven't to do like that. Means they shouldn't do like that.
I like that, but in this India have a democracy country. Then
Absolutely.
the BJP only focus on Sanatani Dharma. Anti-Muslim, why Muslim is not
You are
people?
totally wrong, miss.
No, I am right.
Okay, may I know your name, Mr.?
Myself Aditya Sharma.
So Mr. Aditya, means what's your opinion about our upcoming election in 2024? Whom a party will win these elections, BJP party or Congress party?
You know, ma'am, every person say that once again Modi government, and
Why?
so Modi government will in this election.
Why do you think like that once again Modi government?
Because you know that, ma'am, in this government a lot of work. If you talk about that infrastructure, you know that, ma'am, there are many types of road made by BJP government. If you talk about that electricity condition, you know that, ma'am, 80 hours and 20 hours electricity condition are always available. If you talk about that, it means playing it means BJP government focus on playings. Every person want to do the play. So I can say that BJP government will lose elections.
But you know, Mr., you also can see that means whatever you said in your presentations, means what did you say about the infrastructure?
I say that if you talk about that road condition of in this government, then you know that, ma'am, a lot of highway made by PM Narendra Modi. It means BJP government, and many types of it means hospital. You know that, ma'am, previous government only 120 medical college, but in this government 325 government medical college.
Okay. Means you can you are talking about means infrastructure,
Yes,
yeah, many
ma'am.
more things. Means what people want means better government should focus on individual freedom of speech and give and ensure a decent job for each and every person's citizens and dignity of the life. And but in this government that's not happen like that. So what do you want to say about this matter?
But you know that, ma'am, you know that in this government a lot of company available, and each persons have ability do the interview and take the job and survive your life.
But if they provide a job, then people can appear the exam and they will get the job. If they are not providing a job in this time, means if vacancy are not coming out, then how can people get the job?
No, ma'am. If you talk about that another area, you go and many company and get the interview and take the job.
And you can absolutely see that from constitution's point of view. If I say that BJP in a last speech, when Modi ji was delivering his words, speech, then he said that if we will get in upcoming elections 400 seats, then I will change democracy in from our country. And you already know that democracy. India is the democracy country.
Yes.
And just remind that feel that moment when BJP when in India remove democracy from our country. Then how will I survive? How will we survive our life? We will live like a Russians. We will live like a Russian. So what do you want to say about this matter?
But I agree with you, ma'am. But you know that, ma'am, in this government, if you talk about that company, in many types of available the mobile company made by in this government, and many people join this company and take the job.
But I'm okay. Thanks. Well, can I know your name is?
Myself, Nandini Kushwaha.
So, Ms. Nandini, what's your thought on about upcoming elections? Means, according to you, whom would you like to see as our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi or Rahul Gandhi?
My perspective on Congress, Rahul Gandhi will win the general election.
Why do you think like that Congress party will win in general election 2024?
You know, ma'am, when our Congress party was ruling, then that time all people live a happy life, and that time that time inflation is not, and you already know that, ma'am. When inflation is coming in this time, you can see that if you go anywhere, then you can give a tax, then after you can purchase anything, and you already know that. Most important, if any people's in home, if gas cylinder is not available and food is not available, then how can he eat? And you already know that, ma'am. In this time, due to inflation, due to unemployed, lots of people will die, because he do commerce society and lots of things on our Prime Minister on take GST. That's and our Congress party was when was ruling, then that time no inflation is available, and all people want to when our country was freedom, then all people want to do our Congress party will ruling, and when Congress party was coming in come in ruling, then you already know that all people was lots of lots of happy that time. So that's why I can say that Congress party will win the general election.
Yeah, means you are talking about that BJP government are not providing any type of jobs and any type of things for people. But means you can look that in the rule of BJP party believe in unity in diversity. Like means hum sabka saath sabka vikas. BJP just believe in these things, and means BJP has given many more things for peoples, like household, toilets, gas, money for peoples, and BJP has make India clean and has made India clean, and means many more things BJP has done in our country. Just because of this, people can live a happy life in means, and people don't face unemployment just because of BJP are providing means in a slow way, means many more vacancies and many more things that people can live happy life. So why are you saying like that BJP is not good for our country?
I agree with you, ma'am. Just you said that when our BJP party is come in ruling, then our BJP party want that sabka saath and sabka vikas.
Yeah, absolutely.
But you already know, ma'am, our Prime Minister Modi ji only believe discrimination. He I mean when our Ram Mandir made, then why he didn't made a masjid for I mean Muslim caste? I mean he only believe I mean Hindu caste. Why he didn't believe I mean Muslim caste? If he want to do sabka saath sabka vikas, then absolutely he did made a masjid. Then why he didn't made?
Yeah, you were talking about that means he believes in discrimination in our country, but you are totally wrong. Means when the Ram Mandir was being built in Ayodhya, means just Modi ji has built Ram Mandir. That's why means Lord Ram has born in Ayodhya, and means that was the historical place for Lord Ram, and that was not a historical place for Babri Masjid or anything. So means it should he took right decisions for our country, and means he built a Ram Mandir for a peoples, for any persons, for every persons. So why are you saying like that?
Ma'am, I agree with you, but if he, I mean, doesn't matter. I mean, he doesn't believe only discrimination. Then I mean, when Muslim caste is coming in our country, then I mean, some reason are available. I mean, he has. You already know that he has. I mean, God. I mean, any God. Then why? I mean, from anywhere. I mean, Muslim caste God available. I mean, he anywhere come. Then why he doesn't? I mean, why he didn't build? I mean, masjid. I mean, whenever I mean Muslim caste gods. I mean, come then.
Okay, thank you. Well, what's your name is?
Myself Ankita Yadav.
So Ms. Ankita, as you already know that election has been started and people are discussing about our election. So according to you, means whose party will win our general election in 2024? Means Congress party or BJP party?
I think ma'am Congress party will win the election of 2024.
Why do you think like that Congress party will win in 2024 election?
Ma'am, many reasons behind it. If I talk about the ideology of Congress party, then you know it's believe in everyone's development, and it's believe in unity in diversity. And if I talk about the achievements of that party, then you know Congress constructed the Pakka house for over 34 billion houses, and it allotted the LPG and PNG connections for over 37 million family.
Yes,
and
yes.
When the Congress was ruled in India, that time there was no inflation, but now that time the day by day the products just cost of products are increasing day by day. And if I talk about when the Manmohan Singh was the Prime Minister of India, that time our India was the third largest economy in the world. But now that time India is the fifth largest economy in the world, and our GDP was just 7%. So I think Congress will win.
But Miss, you can also look in this time in 2024 elections. Miss, if I will discuss about the Aam Aadmi Party, then you know Aam Aadmi Party can even cut the Congress vote nationwide, and they will give a clear majority of our means BJP party like Narendra Modi. And means there is no doubt that BJP means Narendra Modi is the biggest leader of our Indian politics. So what do you want to say about this matter?
Ma'am, you know Congress party is the one of the biggest and oldest party of the world, and you talk and you will say ki Congress the Aam Aadmi Party, the leader of Aam Aadmi Party, the Arvind Kejriwal.
Yeah.
No ma'am, the Arvind Kejriwal is supported Congress now this time, and Congress party alliance with Congress, and just make India alliance.
Yeah, absolutely. You were telling right things, means you were right, but you can also look that means what people want. People want that means the person who rule in our country. That means they get many more facility by that government. And in this time, you can also look that means in the rule of BJP party, many more things are provided by our government. So means people want that means if I will live in our country, then means we live in peacefully. And in the BJP party, in the rule of BJP party, people are living peacefully in our India. And you can also look that when the earlier means when the rule of means you are talking about Manmohan Singh, when the rule of rule in our country Manmohan Singh, then on that time many more corruptions and many more robberies are being committed in our country, and comparison to before time, in this time less and less means less and less crimes are being held in this time. So what do you want to means what will you say on this point?
No, ma'am. In the rule of Modi ji, the corruptions are being held because because you know, according to a research in full of assembly, our Modi ji said that no corrupt person will be just spared. But you see, since 2014, 25 big leaders just interrogated by the CBI and ED, and now this time they all just 23 of them are just joined BJP party now this time. So corruption are just held in BJP party and every corrupt politicians in a BJP party.
But have you ever seen that in the rule of BJP party many more criminals have means suited by our BJP government, like Siddharth, Vikas Dubey, and many more criminals. So means on the base of this means we can absolutely vote for our Modi government.
You mean say when our BJP government come in just government, then corruption is gone? No, ma'am.
No.
Every day.
I'm not telling that corruption has gone, but I'm telling that the least of means the corruption is being committed in our country.
The crime rate is just increased in our country, ma'am. And if I talk, and peoples want just employments by our government, and our Modi ji just promised by public, I'll give 2 crores jobs every year. But day by day the jobs are just less down, and there was no any created new job for the youth.
Okay.
And according to a survey, employment and inflation is the key issues for voters.
Okay, thanks for your. Can I know your name, Mr.?
Myself, Mr. Surya.
So, Mr. Surya, means according to you, whose party will win in general election 2024? Means BJP party or Congress party?
To my mind, Congress party is going to win in this election.
Why do you think like that the Congress party will win in this general election?
There are several reasons behind it. That's why I say that Congress party is going to win in this election. Because you already know that Congress party is the oldest communist party of India, and his rule our country is when our country is freedom by the British Army.
But you can also look that during BJP rule in our country, many more positive advancements has been seen by the BJP government. Like BJP in Modi ji promised that about our Ram Mandir, he built Ram Mandir in our country. He had fulfilled his promise. And if I talk about education point of view, then education point of view means many more educations increasement in our country during the rule of BJP party. And for girls, if I discuss about for girls, then you can absolutely look that the girls when the rule of Congress party in our country, then there was not freedom for girls. Girls only live at home, and she has no freedom to go anywhere. She has no freedom to build her career. She has no freedom to talk take against decisions for someone. But in the rule of BJP party, you can absolutely look that many more freedom has got girls by our BJP governments. Whatever girls want in this time, she can absolutely do. What take any against decision by someone, she can absolutely take just because of BJP government. So by the girls from point of girls BJP party is the honest party, and I think that according to you, what do you think about this?
I think I sort of agree with you. You say that Modi ji is complete our promise to build the Ram Mandir.
Yeah.
Because then he is also know that he is related to the only caste and creeds, but he don't focus to our education system. Our education system in this time is very bad because in unemployment rate is on this time is 7.6%, and that time our employment rate is only 3%. So I think that Modi don't focus our education system, because you already know that national eligibility test into 2021 is a paper is leaked, and UP police teacher eligibility test paper is leaked, and so many more things. That's why I say that Modi is not a good leader of our country.
But you absolutely look that means if people are being licked in our country, that's not a problem of our government. That's a problem of our education minister. Means education minister should check means what are being held in colleges, what are being held in universities, yeah, anywhere. But means in the base of means you were talking about that means our job means there is unemployment increase day by day. But you means have you ever seen that means in a last 1 month many millions of people got a teacher's job by our BJP government. Have you haven't you seen that?
I seen that, but something if BJP provide something say employment for the teachers, this is not a good for our youth. Then you already know that. Our youth in this time, our 90% youth is unemployed, face the unemployment problems.
Okay, can I know your name?
Yes, my name is Soumya Aswal.
So Miss Soumya, do you know about politics?
Yes, of course.
So what's your opinion about means upcoming elections in 2024? Means according to you, who will win this election, Mr. Modi ji or Rahul Gandhi?
According to me, BJP will win this election.
Why do you think like that?
BJP do lots of things for our country, and BJP is the great party and it is mighty party, and all body support BJP, and BJP loves more. And we talk about Congress. It's nobody like her, and because it is not more popular. But I talk about BJP. It's very popular, and BJP do make road and make school, colleges, and everything. If there need water, then it's make there is hand pump.
Yeah.
So why I'm saying BJP will win this election.
Okay, you are talking about that means BJP has done many more things in our country, but people are saying that where is a double MSP for our farmers? Where is 15 lakhs each and every accounts people where is 2 crore jobs for every years for the people? So where is what was the benefit of demonetization of our country? Means frankly say that BJP are making BJP are making the people fool in this time. So what do you want to say about this matter?
No, miss, you are totally wrong. It is not wrong information if you have. Then BJP do lots of things. And this is politics time. That's why all people who's Congress lover then is recent fake news.
But
about Modi.
No, it's not a fake news. You can go and you can check on Google. Means everything, whatever I am telling you, everything is right. And Modi ji are just making people fool in this time. Like if he promised something, he didn't fulfill on his promise. And if I discuss about Congress, then Congress is not doing like that.
No, miss, you are totally wrong. Before time Congress say like that. I do in potato to make gold, but it's not to make.
Okay, thank you. May I know your name, Mr.?
My name is Ashish Parnwal.
So, Mr. Ashish, firstly tell me, do you have any idea about politics?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what's your opinion about our general election in 2024? Means, according to you, who will win this election? BJP party or Congress party?
From my perspective, BJP party will win this general election.
Why do you think like that BJP party will win in this general election?
You know, in this time, our infrastructure is so good as compared to in the Congress time, and if I talk about education system and crime rate, then in this our country has in this our country makes so many progress. And if I talk about the goon people,
yeah,
then they are just killed by our police. and in this time the fear of the people by that gun is decreases. By that and in this time our metro lines has increased, and per day 33 kilometers highway are made. That's why I say BJP party will win.
But means you can look also that when the rule of in our country, Mr. Manmohan Singh, then means on that time our GDP was 3%. But in this time you can look that and means on that time you absolutely can see that means on that time all products price was very less down, and means you can means there was the inflation is very low. But in this time you can look that the GDP or means GDP is our 7% in this time, and means every price are costly in this time, and if you want to get something then you have to pay a lot of money for that products, and people are just facing this problem in the rule of BJP. So what do you want to say about this matter?
What means if the connection of inflation is totally to the population, and this time India beat the China in the population. And if I talk about means GDP, then in last 10 years means our GDP increases $1 trillion. And that's why means BJP party chances to win this general election.
But you absolutely look that means when the rule of our rule was a Congress in our India, then means in that time means you can look that means population was very less, and in this time population are increasing day by day. So BJP should action on it like means hum do hamare do, but BJP are not doing like that. So what do you want to say about this one?
But means if BJP party take its action in the right time, if it take in wrong time, then there are so many movements are done, and by that our GDP has decreases, then our GDP will decreases.
Well, can I know your name is?
Yeah, myself is Antima Kumar Yadav.
So Ms. Antima, if you have to choose between Rahul Gandhi and Narendra Modi as our Prime Minister, so whom would you like to choose?
From my point of view, Rahul Gandhi is in this election.
Why do you think like that Rahul Gandhi will win in this election?
You know, means Congress party is the very biggest party, and Congress party in this time very popular and in the world.
Yes,
and
yes.
When Congress party was a party, then that time is gas price is very cheap. But you know, means this time is gas price is very high, and Congress party always support in the poor people, and he do the lots of work for Indian people, and so many more. And Congress party has give the facility for women like as stinging machine and so many more. So I can say that Congress party will win in this election.
But you can look that means in the rule of BJP party means new education policy has implemented by our BJP party, and means that is the means for boys and girls it is they are very active for their build their career, and means you can look that means for a facility for our peoples means in the rule of BJP party many more persons. BJP party has given many more things for peoples like means whatever you were saying that means stitching machines for girls, and even means girls are very active for build their career just because of BJP party in the rule of India. So what do you want to say about this matter?
You know, means when Congress party has given the laptop and mobile for student in the college.
Means where did you see that Congress party has given phone, tablets and many more things? So you can look that in this time in the rule of BJP party means that is being provided in the colleges means for students tablets, phone, and means many more things are providing by the BJP government.
You know, means Congress party is do the lots of work for Indian people, and you know, means Congress party has give the stinging machine for women.
Okay, that's wonderful words. May I know your name, Mr.?
This is Vishal Yadav from Speak Well.
So Mr. Vishal, means whom would you like to see as our Prime Minister, Mr. Rahul Gandhi or Narendra Modi?
I think about Modi is win in this election.
Why do you think like that Modi will win in general election?
Yeah, of course, I have tons of reason behind it. You know, ma'am, in this time, Modi ji is our India is PM, and in this time he is help the poor people, and student grow his minds. Then absolutely he give the mobiles and laptops of the BA and B.Ed student. And you know, ma'am, in this time education system our India then absolutely very good. And in this time Modi ji think about our India is a digital India. And you know, ma'am, in this time poor people, then absolutely Modi ji help the poor people by the jobs. And so many more things, poor peoples and student and so many more.
But you can also look that means BJP party differentiates on the people on the base of caste, creed, and color of the skins. But on the other hand, in Congress party don't differentiations to the public, like means the people like that is the upper caste people and that is the lower caste people. But in this rule of BJP party, you can absolutely see that many more many more differentiations to the people are being held nowadays. So what do you want to say about this matter?
You know, ma'am, in this time upper and lower caste family, then absolutely I met of lower caste family. Why? Because he is my friend. And you know, ma'am, in this time I made Ram Mandir, then absolutely many more of Bollywood actors is going there. There's Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan and so many more person are lower caste. So I think about Modi in this win this election.
But I'm not talking about the people, means we are just common persons, but I'm talking about the biggest leader of our country, that means the biggest leader of our country, Mr. Modi ji. But means he is different. If he is different, being different of our peoples, then people absolutely don't like that. So what do you want to say about this matter? Means he is. Means you ever seen that when he deliver in a speech, then he always say that means Hindu Muslim. Means just he divide people on casteism, on the base of casteism.
But you know, ma'am, I can't know about the means caste and casteism. Then absolutely Modi didn't do this like that.
Okay, thanks for. What's your name, Miss?
My name is Pooja.
Miss Pooja, means whom would you like to see as our Prime Minister in our country, Mr. Narendra Modi or Rahul Gandhi?
According to me, Narendra Modi will win this general election.
Why do you think like that Modi ji will win our general election?
Several reasons behind it. So you know, Miss BJP party is it's the biggest party of the world. It's a very famous and popular party. There are people do lots of work in Indian people like us. He make the road and he make the Ram Mandir and he Chandrayaan 3 is landed. Then he is successfully. And you know, BJP is always support poor and always help the poor, and BJP help the poor and so.
But you can also look that in this time, means the people are just troubled by the BJP. Like means BJP are not focusing on our economic. And if somehow BJP pick up the economic in this year, then absolutely BJP will win in this general election 2024, probably with 350 plus seats. So what do you want to say about this matter?
You know, Miss, before time our India is done famous, but in this time BJP will come in our, and then our India day by day grow and increased. Then that's why I'm.
But you can also look that when the rule was Manmohan Singh in our country, then he had a lot of things. He had done a lot of things for our country. Like he had made the roads. He had helped the poor persons and many more things. Manmohan Singh has done in our country. But in the rule of BJP party, you can look that the product price is a very increased day by day, and people are just facing many more problems by the BJP government.
No, Miss, you know, Modi is also given a laptop, mobile in his student. Then he easily study and then he understand.
Okay, thanks for. Can I know your name, Mr.?
Yeah, my name is Shubham Yadav.
So, Mr. Subham, what's your opinion about our upcoming elections in 2024? Means, according to you, whose party will win in general election? BJP party or Congress party?
Yeah, ma'am. According to me, Congress party will win.
Why do you think like that Congress party will win?
Yeah, because if I talk about the past time, then past time everybody is living for happiness. And everybody live too easily. That time, if I talk about inflation, then that time nobody have any type of inflation. And if I talk about the present time, then present time inflation is so high for everything. Like if I talk about diesel, then diesel price in this time 98 rupees. Petrol price. And if I talk about LPG gas, then LPG gas price 1200. And if I talk about the part time, then part time only LPG gas price 300. So I can say that BJP party will, Congress party will win.
But you can also see that means if BJP party are means not good for our country, then means in the during rule in BJP party means Chandrayaan 3 has been launched successfully on the moon, and means many more things BJP has done for our country, and it means many more positive advantages have seen by the BJP government in our country, and means when the rule was Congress, I don't think that means many more development he has done by the Congress party in our country. But comparison to Congress, in this time BJP are doing really great, and means in our India feel proud of our Modi ji. So means what will you say on this?
Yeah, I agree with you. Modi ji made launched the Chandrayaan
3. Yeah.
But if I talk about crime and inflation and study, then you already know that Modi ji take a lots of plethora promise, but he don't do the completed. When he come the BJP party, then he say that if I become a PM, then I provide 2 crore job per year, but nothing like that in this time. And if I talk about criminals, then if other party, if Modi ji always take action in other party criminals. If he criminals join the BJP party, then BJP party take up his cases. Like if I talk about Ajit Pawar, then he is the biggest criminal. But when he joined the BJP party, then BJP party take up his all cases.
Okay, thank you for wonderful words. Well guys, thank you for joining with us and talking with us. Well guys, I hope you would have liked this video, so please like and subscribe our channel, and please tell me in the comment section below that means according to you whose party will win in general election 2024, means BJP party or Congress party. So guys, I will meet you very soon with another topic. So till then, keep smiling. Bye bye.